Hello world, this is Random Fix and it's a beautiful day today. We just had the birds singing. They went away as I hit record. And if you guys are in the mood to save some money and get some ideas for a kitchen galley on the cheap, that's what this whole video is going to be about and how you can do this. And I probably spent about $200 on my kitchen galley, excluding the sink and the induction oven. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Random Fix, and this is going to be a really short and quick video. So the van is all done. I've been through 24 states, so the idea that I'm giving you guys here is definitely going to be sturdy and you're going to really enjoy the savings. So this is my kitchen galley here, guys, and you can get one of these kitchen galleys here for about $200. And I was really surprised when I did this, as it really wasn't talked about. So one of the concerns I had when I was getting a kitchen galley is having enough space for a convection oven, because they're a little bit deep and they really need to be cooled off. And I needed extra storage on the other side for a water filter and some basic electrical boxes off the floor. And then I started doing some research. I went and checked out some of the outfitters. They wanted anywhere from $2 to $4 grand for a kitchen galley. And to me, that's just bonkers. So I started doing my own thinking, and I was like, okay, why can't I put a kitchen galley in here and just buy one from Lowe's or Home Depot and just make it work? And I thought about it, and I honestly could not come up with many reasons other than the fact that I still needed enough room to go and be able to walk through here and have the doors open up. So I started going and scaling the models and measuring. And I figured out that I can actually walk right through here without any issues. I was still going to have enough space between the galley and the bed and seat section back here. It was all going to work. And in fact, some of that space actually became very beneficial because I ran my plumbing in there, which I'll cover in a different video. And on the other side, I was able to put USB ports, a stealth plug, which is GFCI protected, and I got this cool trim that's basically plastic, but it's tough as heck. It worked. I also got the butcher block. So this was about $100, and you could get them on sale sometimes. This was about $100 or $99 when I got it, and you could put in any kind of sink you want. So I basically just cut the hole out for the sink and the induction cooktop, and it worked. If you would like to save even further, what you can do is skip the induction cooktop and just go ahead and leave the countertop complete here, which is going to save you a lot of work. And B, you can get yourself a single burner like this. They're under $20, and these are nice because they're not installed. You can cook with them outside, and if they break, you can just go ahead and pop in a new one. Because what will happen down the line is, at some point or another, True Induction is going to stop making this unit, and then to make the new unit fit, and that's going to require a bunch of modification. So I actually like the simplicity idea when it comes down to the kitchen galley here. And there is going to be my galley. This is from Lowe's, and all the hinges, everything came included. This used to be a sliding drawer that came out. I did not want to go and enable that feature because it would stop me from putting in the sink. So I went ahead and just basically shut this completely. I do like the way everything's worked out. The drawers do not open up while you're driving because I have two latches, one down here and one up here. And so far, so good. And in case you guys are wondering how I mounted it, I actually mounted it to the body. So if you guys notice when you're working on your van, there's going to be these plastic clips. Well, I decided to take out all the plastic clips and put in these rivet nuts, and basically they allow me to go straight into the body of the van. So this is not going to move anywhere. And then inside the galley, what I did is I created a hole right there. That's actually a vent. So the convection oven can cool off, can suck in fresh air. And when I was making that hole, I was able to go ahead and reach in and grab my power tool and basically mount to the floor here, in here. And I also think I got one down there where that hole is, where the plumbing comes in. So this is mounted in a total of 4 spots, and it's not going anywhere, guys. And this has worked out even better than I dreamed of, because when I did this, I went on eBay and I got myself one of these side table extensions, and it's pretty cool. Works. So I went ahead and coated it with walrus oil. It's basically this oil and sealer, and it's amazing. It gives it a really nice reddish texture that matches my sink when I do it for the first couple of months, and then it does fade away, and a year later you're gonna have to do it again. But it worked out very nice. And now let me show you guys one of my favorite features of the Kitchen Galley, which is gonna be basically space. So underneath here I have a lot of space, and I use this as my shoe compartment. So when I'm hitting the road with my kids, I throw all the shoes down here, and adult shoes fit down here as well, and that is a very nice added benefit. On top of that, to go ahead and cool off your kitchen galley, you can go ahead and just grab one of these vents. They sell them at Home Depot. And the nice thing is, if you have a buck screen like this, which I have a video about, and it cost me less than 40 bucks, and it works really nice, and I did not have to pay $300 or $600. And the back vent over here basically will act like a bonding agent, and I can go ahead and close the door without any issues. So I wanted to share this with you guys really quick. If you guys are in the market for a kitchen galley and you don't want to spend thousands, you can't even imagine that idea, just for a kitchen galley that's not going to go and work for your microwave, your convection oven, and it's not going to give you the flexibility that you want, check out this idea, as you guys will be really quite happy with it. And if you guys have any questions about the van, please leave them down below, as I always make sure to get back to you guys. And if you guys want to check out the whole van build playlist over here, please do so, as I've really tried to cover everything for you guys from start to finish, including the roof systems, the shore power plugs, building some crazy batteries on the cheap, step by step. And I appreciate you guys. Make it a great day. Thanks again.